No more dealing with thousands of operations on similar tasks. Instead of spending lot of time on each rows, you can easily append, delete, or update each rows in just one go. Today, I want to talk about a cool app from MSquare, that is MSquare Google Sheet Custom App. Many of our clients, especially on make.com, keep on asking about how they can batch append or batch update. So, with the help of our custom app, you can easily save thousands of operations and save lot of time. Let's check it out. Let's start with the append module. The batch append module helps you to add multiple rows to the Google Sheet. The process is straightforward. I will gather all the data from the webhook, then I will aggregate into one array, and then I will use the Google Sheet batch append row module. So now let's see the batch. I am going to run the scenario. 3, 2, 1. See, all the data has been pushed. And the exciting part is it have done with one operation.